how to increase Wi-Fi or internet speed on Windows 11. So if you want to increase Wi-Fi or internet speed on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings, right click on your Windows, go with settings, go with network and internet, and click on the connection that you're currently using, either your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. Once you've selected, you need to look for the metered connection option. If it is turned on, you are not worried about data limit. You need to turn it off. Metered connections are designed to reduce data usage, but sometimes they can also affect performance. Next, you need to make sure that your system is fully updated. For that, you need to go with your Windows Update tab in your settings. So go back and then go with Update and Security. If you have any updates, you just need simply go with Check for Update and update anything available. Many times, network driver updates and bug fixes are included in your Windows Update. Outdated drivers can cause slow or unstable internet connections. So always make sure to stay updated. After that, you need to open the gaming section. Click on Gaming, click on the Game Bar option, and make sure it is turned off. While Game Bar is useful for gamers, it can sometimes run in the background and consume resources, which may affect internet performance. Now, let's adjust your DNS settings. In the Windows search bar, you need to search for Control Panel. After opening your Control Panel, you need to go with Network and Sharing Center. Now, click on the Advanced Sharing settings, or go with your network connections. This will open up your network adapters. Right-click on your active connection that you are using and choose Properties. And once selected, you need to double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4, and then you will get this kind of interface. By default, DNS is set automatically by your internet provider. However, switching to a faster public DNS can improve response time. There are two major providers, which is Cloudflare DNS and Google DNS. You can test which DNS works better for you. After that, you can go back, open up your command prompt, right-click on it, go with Run as Administrator, and click on Yes. Now here, you need to type in ping space 1.1.1.1, then press the Enter, and just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see that you will have the average ping. In my case, I have 11 ms. Now let's try the Google DNS. For that, you need to type in ping space 8.8.8.8 and then hit the Enter again. And for this, the average is 87. Compare the average ping results. The lower number means faster response. Once you know which one is better, you need to go back to your Internet Protocol version 4 and then enter 1.1.1.1 under your use the following DNS server address, and then click on OK and apply. After that, your problem would be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.